This is the first video tutorial for Kanakka.com. The web URL for this site is www.kanakku.com. This is a free Web 2.0 application that is a combination of a spreadsheet and a calculator. The app was primarily designed to be used by Internet Explorer 7 or higher or Firefox. The application may also work with Safari, but further compatibility testing is ongoing. Like other online utility applications, you do not have to register or go through the hassle of creating an account in order to use this application. So the first thing I want to do is show some of the basic features of the application. Like any spreadsheet application, you can click in any cell and begin typing. If you enter in a formula like 4 plus 3 minus negative 7, you can have the application evaluate your formula by hitting the enter key. As you can see, the app evaluates the formula and shows the correct answer. Also, the console will display the calculation you've just made. The console will keep track of all the calculations you've made while you've been using the application. Another feature of the app is you can move between cells in different ways. One way is by holding down the control key and hitting the arrow button on your keyboard. You can go to the right, left, up, or down. You can also move by just hitting the tab key. And as you've already noticed, you can move by clicking directly with the mouse. You can also change the column width of columns in the application. You do this by clicking on the column header and expanding or contracting the resulting rectangle. When you let go of the mouse, the column width will readjust to the width you've selected. The application also allows you to multi-select cells. In order to multi-select, you need to click on a cell and then drag the mouse. You can go to the right, left, up, or down. If you need to click on elements that are outside the current view, you can do so by going to the edge of the spreadsheet. The application will then start scrolling in that direction. So you can go to the right, down, up, or to the left. Multi-selections are useful in this application because they allow us to perform an operation on a given selection. Say for example, I have these 3 elements. I can apply an operation to all these elements by clicking on a button in the calculator. Say for example I choose a square root operation. If I click this button, then the application will evaluate the square root of 14, the square root of 5, and the square root of 9, and the answer will be displayed. Also, you may notice that the console has also been updated with the calculation we've just made. If I wanted to add these 2 numbers together, I could do so by first clicking on the first selection, then clicking the add button, and clicking on the second selection. When I let go of the selection, the application will evaluate the first selection plus the second selection and give the corresponding answer, both on the spreadsheet and in the console. So these are some of the basic features of Kanakka. If you'd like to contact support, then please do so at kanakkusupport@gmail.com. The email address again is kanakku support@gmail.com. Thank you.